Hi, my name is Khadija, and my favorite book is Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. So basically, it's about a pig and an elephant, and they're friends, and the elephant name is Gerard, and the pig's name is Piggy, and they're best friends. Then one day, Gerard doesn't know he gets sick, and then he keeps sneezing so loud, and since Piggy is smaller than his size, he always stumbles, does a front flip or a back flip. And once he wears a helmet to protect himself, and then Gerard has to go away because he thinks he's like allergic to pigs. And then he goes away and meets Dr. Cat, and then Dr. Cat checks him, and then Gerard says to Dr. Cat that, Dr. Cat, I think I'm allergic to pigs, and Piggy is my friend, and she's a pig. And then, and then the the cat doctor says, it's okay, you just have a cold. And then Gerard he was like, hooray, I have a cold. And then when he went back, he saw Piggy, and he was blowing into lots of tissues like this. And he said, good for you. Bye.